Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach. Here with me today is a 2014 Ford F-150 Supercrew. This vehicle is finished in Oxford white. And you see the FX appearance package that the vehicle has. "20-inch 6-spoke wheels, finished in black. And you've got your all-season Scorpion ATR wheel tires. You do have your bed side step here. This vehicle will include this locking bed cap. This was painted to match by the previous owner. This vehicle's in great shape. The previous owner was very meticulous as to how he treated this truck. Took care of it very well. And it does show. You have your standard rock chips up here on the front grille. And there's a few on the front bumper that look like they have been touched up previously. This vehicle does feature max tow package. Interior features Sony premium audio, black leather seats with a nice red piping. You got your WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. And because this is the Supercrew, you do have a fair amount of space back here for the rear passengers. Sliding rear window is power. Driver and passenger seat are both power operated. These are also equipped with heated and cooled seat features. You've got your Sony digital display there. It also is equipped with navigation. Other features are going to include remote start, and you can see there just over 66,000 miles on the odometer. This is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.